Hey, Thomas here. As you can tell, we're back at the MMA Colombia here. And you know we got Big Mike coming back on the channel. Thanks for leaving so many awesome comments on the last one. He talked about increasing punching power. Great tips there. Today, he's gonna teach you how to throw the perfect hook, all right? And as you can tell, Mike's over here, actually over here, just chilling, getting ready.
All right, so today we're gonna talk about the hook. So, first and foremost, why do we use hooks? A lot of the time, circular weapons are more effective than straight weapons just because the way the body is designed. So when you throw a straight weapon, it's gonna be like that. It's a little bit different range, a lot longer than if I throw a hook. So if I'm throwing a hook, I have to come a little bit closer to Thomas, and what we're gonna do is throw circular weapons. Hooks are very effective because quite often when you fight somebody, whether it's the ring or in a street fight, their chin will come up. Just natural tendencies, bad habits. You shouldn't be doing this. So if you punch, you may punch like this, right? And if I'm a good fighter, I can time you, come over top with a hook, and come around you. So how do we throw a hook? What you're gonna do is get into your fighting stance. So feet shoulder width apart, one foot back. Remember, if you're right with your right hand, you're in orthodox. If you right with your left hand, you're in what I call southpaw. So let's assume that we're all orthodox stances. So 1 foot back, hands up, turn to the side, and this is called our ready position. For the hook, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up your elbow, and you're gonna create a 90-degree angle between your bicep and your forearm. You're gonna have your other hand touching your face at all times, and then all you're gonna do is bring this up and come around. Now, your hand positioning, there's two ways you can do it. One, you can have your palm facing down, or you can have your palm facing towards you. This is actually completely personal preference, so it's whatever you're comfortable with. Me, myself, I like having my palm facing towards me. Many fighters like having their palm facing downwards. Total personal preference. Now, when you throw that hook, so it's gonna be a lead left hook, you wanna focus on lifting your arm up, and you're gonna turn on the ball of your foot and your hips and pivot with your body behind your punch. So remember, just like throwing the crosses, we're not throwing punches like this, right? We're using our whole body to get behind it. Same thing with the hook. You want to imagine, once again, you're on a pole down your spine. You can't lean forward or back, and all you can do is rotate. So what you're going to do, shoulder comes up first, boom, 90 degrees, right? So you're going to come up about here, and all you're going to do is keeping your hand nice and close to your chin is rotate, turn. So you're going to think you're going to bring your right shoulder all the way back and left shoulder around. Good. And you want to imagine you're basically swiveling, so here, right? Boom, around. A lot of the times, hooks are very effective because if I have my guard here, right, you may not get in with a cross because I'm blocking you here, but you can get around with a hook. Exactly. All right? So let's do a couple really light ones. So all you're going to do is hand up and then turn, making sure you're pivoting on your foot, driving it with your body behind it. All right? Let's go. 1, boom. 2, boom. 3, 4, and 5. Good. So now what I want you to do is put it together. You're going to bring up and around at the same time. I want you to keep your arm relaxed, and I want you to really feel your lower body kind of whipping your arm behind that punch. Ready? Yep. 1, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Okay. So to summarize really quickly, how to throw a good hook. You want your elbows to form a 90-degree angle. Your arm is going to come up to shoulder height, and you're going to bring your arm around, rotating. Imagine you use a pole down your spine with your whole body behind it from here. Other hand has to be touching your chin because the hook is a very close-range weapon, which means that more than likely, my opponent will be able to hit me while I'm in his range. So you want to make sure when you're throwing that hook, your hands are up. And that's it.
All right, so make sure to train on your hook technique. I know I got a lot of homework to do, got to work on that. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications because on the next one with Mike, he's going to be sharing with us an awesome 4-minute ab workout here that you can get to improve your core strength and help get those abs, all right? Also, want to give a huge shout out to MMA Colombia here. As you can tell, at some point, we'll be giving a tour of the whole place. It's freaking huge and awesome here, so make sure to stay subscribed for that. And then don't want to forget, if you want to train with Mike, personally, you want to, train with him online, anywhere in the world, we'll have a link in the description where you can train with him. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.